Hello WordPress people. So in this video we are going to talk about this new plugin called thread block. So by this block you can enable the Twitter like thread in WordPress. So let me show you the screenshot. So this is how it looks. So it is kind of thread you can create in WordPress block similar to X or Twitter. So let's see how does it work. So this is my local WordPress site and I have already installed this plugin thread block. Let's activate it, and now let's go to create a new post, uh, my story, let's say, and then search thread. So this is how it looks like. First we can add the thread title if you want, and then click on post. So you can set the image you want. So let me set an image over here, and then you can add your text. So let's add some sample text. Let's add this only. You can attach an image as well with this. So let me add some images to this particular thread. Then you can add another one. Let's add another thread, and I will set this, and let me copy and paste it over here. Let's not add any image in this. Let's add another, and I will select this, and let's add two paragraphs over here. And then here we can set the thickness of the line. So I will keep it 1px. Also we can choose the color as well of the thread. So let me set this one. Okay, and then let's publish this, and let's see how does it look. So it is looking something like this. This is transparent image, I guess. Let me change the image. Okay, before changing it, I'm gonna show you something that we can rearrange the thread as well. And I'm gonna change this image to this. Yeah. So let's refresh this. And yeah, this is how it looks. Also, when you click on the image, you can see that in the pop-up as well. And one more thing, you can apply the styling as well. So let's go to this style tab, and I'm gonna set the background here. I'm gonna set the padding, and and let's keep margin as it is. Let's set the border and border radius, and save this. One more thing, I can set the shadow as well. So this one is my favorite, and refresh it, and this is how the thread looks like. Let's change the border color. So let's make it black. Oh no, not this one, sorry about that. So this, Let's make a black. So it is looking nice now. So yeah, this is how the plugin works, and this is a free plugin. I have provided link into the description section. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. And if you like this plugin, don't forget to add your review over here. So yeah, comments, feedbacks are most welcome. Jai Somnath, Har Har Mahadev.
Hey there, so if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would recommend to visit this site, the wpvoyage.com. This site has very good tips and tricks regarding the Gutenberg development.